In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Roblox app crashing. Your Roblox app may crash due to several reasons, including outdated app versions, insufficient device memory, or overheating, especially on lower-end devices. Corrupt installation files, outdated graphics drivers, or system software on desktop devices can also cause instability. You might want to also check your internet connectivity. Poor internet connections or background apps using too many resources might lead to sudden crashes. Head to your phone settings. Select on General. You want to navigate on Background App Refresh. Tap right here and select Off. Disabling this feature ensures that more memory and processing power are available for Roblox to run smoothly, potentially preventing unexpected shutdowns or lag during gameplay. When the issue persists, make sure to uninstall the application and reinstall it back. By doing this, it can often fix the issue. Well, those are some of the basics on how to fix the problem of Roblox app crashing. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.